Hi, I'm Jeremy from Salt Lake City, Utah, Airworks Heating and Air Conditioning, and I'm going to be talking to you about why you should be changing your filters so frequently. In heating air conditioning, we use airflow. Airflow is extremely important. When we change our filters, we're still allowing those filters and the air to be able to circulate through the inside of it to keep the temperatures in the inside of your furnace at a correct temperature, and also your air conditioning coil. With your air conditioning coil, this acts as a filter, and if not, then your air conditioning coil that's in the inside of here will actually act as a filter also. When you change your filter and keep it on a regular basis, whether it be 1 month or every 3 months, it's going to protect your air conditioning coil from being plugged up and growing molds and getting debris stuck on the inside of there, causing it to ice up. And once again, this is Jeremy from Airworks Heating and Air Conditioning out of Salt Lake City, Utah. And we have just talked about why you should change your filters so frequently.